In this video, we're going to explore the next property, which is the padding right property. And basically what the padding right property does is moves all the content, whatever is at the right side, we move it more to the left. So there's some space here. So let's start and explore and do this immediately. And of course, what we want to do here is we want to align the text currently to the right side so we can see immediately the impact it has. And so you also understand how the padding impacts your content level here, or the content box part. So let's put in here a text align. And in this text align, we will say to the right, where we're pushing the text to the very right side. And if we refresh, you can see now our text is to the right side. It's aligned to the very right. And now if we put in here a padding right, we'll push this text more to the left. Just pay attention here. So if we do in here, we type in padding dash right, and we say here 20 pixels, for example, and save this, and refresh. Now, as you can see, we instantly move it with 20 pixels to the left. And you can see here also the width has adjusted here. The width of the content has become 60 pixels, and you can see how the box is representing. It hits the left side. The reason why it hits the left side is because we did not assign a value of padding at the left side. And what we can do as well, for example, and this is why the box sizing border box is very important. This border box value and this box sizing property, if we adjust this instead of border box to content box, what happens now is that the content itself, which is this box here, will become fixed on the height that we assign it here. So, or it's the height and the width that we have assigned here in the div. So let's save this and refresh, and once we do that, you can see now the content box has increased, or at least the content part has increased tremendously. And then it starts to add on the 20 pixels for the padding right, as you can see here. So this all together will make a far bigger square or painting div than what it is now. The width has increased tremendously. This is very important to remember, because this one will very often become a conflict if you don't assign this first. So we always say here, keep this on border box unless, and truly unless, you have a real specific reason to set it to content box. In that case, it should be set there. And this is the one thing I would not understand, is why this box sizing has been set default on content box. Because everyone almost uses border box as a default setting. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.